Oh, people, you know what? It's episode 2. I never thought it'd happen.
It's like 2 months now since our last episode.
Yes. Do you think we have to apologise?
Yeah, I do think so. Yeah, we
Okay.
shouldn't. Yeah, too lazy.
Sorry, it's been a long time. Locke's been doing some stuff. I've been doing some stuff.
Yeah.
We've been away. We've not really had the time. Well, actually, that's probably a lie, isn't it?
We're just really bad at time management. That's all.
Oh, don't say that. People think, oh no, we thought you were the best in terms of time management. Okay, yeah, we're not that great in terms of time management. But we did try to shoot something. It didn't quite work out. So that's why we're doing this.
Yeah, that too.
But this is actually a perfect time to talk about this because this is hot news right now. This is freshly pumped out. Hot
Fresh
news.
from the oven.
Yeah, oh, I was thinking some other stuff that's been pumped out of like, you know, something. But this is not shit. This is pure good shit. All right? Because Canon and also Nikon, hot news. Well, just rumours anyway about their mirrorless cameras. What have we got?
Well, Nikon's not rumours anymore.
No, it's true, yeah.
It was rumor. It was rumor everywhere about. I mean, yeah, Nikon mirrorless rumor have been there since ever.
But usually, I don't really believe it until you actually see some solid information. And you can't get any more solid than what's come out. Because Nikon has released a little teaser video, haven't they? Have you seen people? What do you think of it? Locke, what do you think of it?
I think it looks like 2001: A Space Odyssey. It keeps reminding me 2001: A Space Odyssey.
But in terms of space theme related things, video games, films, they're quite samey, aren't they? There's lots of stars zooming about. Yeah. Maybe they could have been, you know, giving a slight nod to Space Odyssey, but it could be anything, right? Space Invaders, Space Jam. You know, as I said, I haven't watched Space Odyssey, but reading what they say about, you know, all these film geeks saying, oh, what is it all about? What's the deeper meaning in these films, especially these artistic filmmakers like Stanley Kubrick? The spaceship is the act of concept. No, the spaceship is a penis then, is it?
What?
We have a long, bulb-headed spaceship as a sperm.
Yeah, some people just trying to like...
Is it docking? Oh.
Where did you read that from?
Wikipedia, amazingly.
It's just some people just trying to say anything that's long into like a symbolize of penis and something like that. Oh, all the buildings are actually penis. No, because you want to build it high to make more room. Simple as that.
But honestly, I studied film at university. And the kind of stuff they come up with. One of my teachers said, there's only 2 themes in films, sex and violence. And I thought, no, Frozen.
It's just in their own mind.
I think they're just twisted people, some of these people who study film. Not me. But anyway, let's talk about the Nikon.
Yeah.
What have we got?
Sure.
What have we seen so far, Locke?
We have seen so far just a silhouette. Originally, the rumors talk about there were 2 mirrors actually, and then there is they issued 4K and then it's full frame. Well, Nikon confirmed it's full frame.
It's official. It's on Nikon's website. Something is coming on the 23rd.
They haven't mentioned 4K though. It's just full frame mirrors. There's a new mount as well, Z mount.
Oh, that's a cool name for a mount, Z mount.
So they must have new lens, which is annoying, but they should, because if not, there will be another Pentax K. What's it called? K01.
Yes. Oh God, I almost forgot about that.
So we should see that in like Photokina.
Are you going to Photokina, Locke?
Oh yeah, I'm going to Photokina.
Guess what? I think I'm going as well.
Oh wow! What's a coincidence?
What a coincidence. That would mean that we could get some BokeBros content with us.
BokeBros.
BokeBros.
Yeah.
Somebody's taken our website URL, by the way.
Yeah.
Bastards.
Oh yeah, BokeBros.com as well.
Who else is called BokeBros? No. Yeah, I reckon it's one of you, isn't it?
Yeah.
No.
I mean, we are going to see that in Photokina, and then quite obvious, we should see the Canon mirrors, isn't it? I mean,
Yeah,
not the EOS, EOS. I mean, not the EOSM.
No, we've seen that already.
Full frame mirrors, 4K Canon camera.
There are rumours that it's going to be like a 5D Mark IV. It's going to have 4K. It's going to have dual pixel autofocus with 4K.
Yeah.
That would be fantastic, wouldn't it?
Instant win.
Instant win. Would you get
Instant win. I'm not sure, but I have mentioned like years ago that if Canon release a 4K mirrorless camera that actually good, not like plasticky USM, people will just line up to buy that. I mean, maybe not like lining up for an iPhone, but then they will reclaim the only choice for video, like just like the 5D Mark II and Mark III. But now they just give up this opportunity and give it to Sony to do that.
What? No, people. I mean, I don't think they missed the opportunity. I don't think it's anything such as too little, too late with Canon when it comes to Canon and Nikon, because especially Canon, there are loads of people just buy, even if it's a 60 Mark II. That is a pretty poor effort, but people still buy that, don't they?
No, I mean, they're not going to lose that everything to Sony or Panasonic, but I mean, they are not the only choice anymore. I mean, if Canon keep developing the 5D or release a mirrorless 4K camera that's really good for video with flat picture profile, something like that, before Sony did that, there's no chance for that's really little chance for Sony.
What would make this Canon mirrorless camera good for you? What features would make it, boom, yes, I want one right now. I'm going to sell my kidneys.
Flat picture profile, and then the killer feature will be a lens with focusing scale on it, just like the normal full frame Canon lenses. But anyway, back to Photokina, we don't have much rumors about Sony, but we all know what it will be. It will be the Sony A7S Mark III, isn't it?
Yeah,
because there's
obviously
nothing else. Because there's nothing else they could upgrade. Everything else is upgraded, isn't it?
Look, what would you like? You're the video guy.
Yeah.
What would you like to see in A7S III?
Well, not much. Basically, just put everything from the A9 into the A7S III. That's it. Touch screen.
What do you mean?
I mean,
that's just the A9 then, isn't it?
Face detection, autofocusing, bigger battery. That's it. Just keep it at 16 megapixel.
What? Just rebadge your camera. So the same as that, but with low light. Good low light.
Yeah.
Boring. We want something incredible. We want better than dual pixel autofocus. We want lots of we want 8K. We want everything, Sony. Put it all in, otherwise you're just losing it. Oh.
They probably just like double the low light performance, something like that.
Yeah. You'll be able to see stuff that the human eyes can't. Well, probably A7S II is like that already, isn't it?
Yeah, it's already.
Well, we'll find out in Photokina.
So that's all for the news. Next, we are going to answer some questions from you guys. The hashtag #AskBokeBros.
Yes, and why why is
sounds
this
like
though?
those kung fu movie, the old guy with white beard.
No, because people complained last time. They said, why wasn't my answer? And why was that locked? Because you went and replied to them saying, we've answered your question, it's going to be in the first video. But what happened? Who cut it out? It was Locke. Why was it cut out? Is it because the questions were shit or the answers were shit?
No, my editing is shit. That's all. That's why. Sorry.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to point fingers at you on thing. I wasn't trying to get that. I wasn't trying to make you feel bad about yourself.
That's a Hong Kong way.
Sorry. Okay. So hashtag #AskBokeBros.
Yeah.
Boom. Question number one.
Question number one.
Johan Villeneuve. Sony A7S3 predictions. Oh no, well we've kind of answered this, haven't we?
Yeah, done. Next. Zach, walk well. Whatever happened to the 787 model I bought locked for Christmas a couple years ago? Actually, I've still got it. I forgot to prepare it this time. It's in a box, something like that. But we answered it last time, and this is the footage. It's still here. Missing an engine.
Hang on, was that the one in the Digital Rev office?
Yeah. You remember that? Oh,
Yeah.
you broke the engine.
Sorry, Zach. Well, in fact, I don't know why I'm apologising to you. It's not yours anymore.
Well,
How come Locke got a Christmas present? I didn't get anything.
Yeah, that's why he broke it.
I'm not
It's
jealous.
like a jealous kid. He broke it. I still have
What
it.
do you mean, actually, we've answered all of these questions before. Why are we filming this again then?
To prove that we actually answered your question last time, I just didn't edit it in the final edit.
Okay, yeah, that's actually a good point. That is a good point. Okay, so next is from Crichton Photography. Will you be co-hosting on YouTube for good or evil? Oh my god, we're not criminals.
For good or evil?
Yeah, we're going to have a crime network on YouTube, a secret underground crime network.
Secret underground network, but it's on YouTube.
Exactly. So there we are. Yes, for the evil. But serious answer, we want to do more stuff, don't we?
Yeah. Well, this channel we are still going to trying to do more things. Just not just news, not just photography. Maybe gaming, maybe other tech. Or you should tell us what you want us to do.
Yeah. Comments below. Basically, otherwise it's just going to be a mishmash of random stuff that we basically just like doing. All right. Next question.
Oh, my turn. Oh, we are so good at this. Oh, Brian Gaudi something like that. Sorry about my pronunciation.
ET phone home.
Is the A7 Mark III worth the hype? Of course. What are you talking about? Of course it's worth the hype.
But just wait for Photokina. I just have a feeling that there might be better alternatives or as good alternatives. So yes, it is worth the hype at the minute, but who knows, within a couple months there might be some juicy stuff coming
They're
out.
not going to release A7 Mark IV.
No, but we've just been talking about Canon Nikon.
Yeah.
That could be interesting, isn't it?
Yeah.
CJ Vlogs, would you be willing to meet maybe your fans like me if you ever come to India? P.S.
course.
If you do, your dinner's on me.
Yeah, dinner's on you. I remember that. I will find you.
Don't literally serve it on you, not like those kind of restaurants where they serve sushi on ladies. Don't serve it on your body. That's probably not that hygienic.
Okay.
Dot.
Most enjoyable video you have made together. What do you think?
Oh, it's got to be a durability test, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yes. They were fun.
It's just something that you can't do in real life and you can do with video.
It wasn't so much just about, okay, let's get a camera and then smash it to pieces. Yeah, we love destruction. It was kind of, we had a goal to make it work at the end of the day, but still do these tests which are ridiculous and look like we're really...
It's still fun to destroy something, but the main purpose is to prove a point.
P-Tibby.
Next one.
Yo, P-Tibby. Would you guys ever consider doing pro photographer cheap camera challenge videos?
We can't.
Yeah, okay. Little bit of a quick word. Of course, when you work at a company and you're an employee, you're essentially, any creative stuff you do, you hand over the rights to the company, because otherwise, it's got to work that way. Otherwise, they don't know why it's got to work that way, but it's just got to work that way, okay? So we just have to deal with that. I mean, we can't go around saying, okay, pro photographer cheap camera challenge is back.
So in theory, the idea of cheap camera challenge belongs to digital web. It doesn't mean that we can't do reviews. Camera reviews is not an idea that you can own, but that format apparently not owned by us.
Yeah.
So we can't.
Same as Bokelicious. Oh God, you're gonna have to bleep that out, Locke. Bokelicious.
Apparently trademarked it.
Yeah, I'm sure it's not, but you know, it's something again that was a phrase that was coined at Digital Rev, so just leave it.
Maybe it's better not clinging on the good old time. Just create something new. Right, next one. Lee Man, how does it feel to be the sexiest man alive? Well, I don't know. I'm not.
It's so goddamn hard just having all these sexness oozing out of my pores. It's just, oh, gloopy goodness just secreting out of every single orifice. It's tough being this goddamn filthy sexy, alright? No, I don't know what you're talking about. Jeez.
Andrew
Nasson.
Nasson.
Are you gay?
Yeah.
I mean, yes.
Not yeah. I mean,
no.
no.
Sorry, got confused.
No, just sorry. I mean, not sorry. I mean, just no. I don't have to say sorry about that.
Yeah, and people, there's no need to be sorry about that. It's be proud.
Yeah, be proud of not gay. What you said? Be
It's
proud.
getting worse for you, Locke. What do you mean being proud of not gay?
Well, why can't you can be proud of being gay, but how can you be proud of being straight?
Anyway, he also asks favorite cine camera and cine lens. I love how he asks, "Are you gay?" first, and then a minute later, he's like, "Favorite cine camera and cine lens."
Yeah, two separate tweets. Anyway, I don't know much about cine lens and cine cameras because wow, my cat just bumped onto my tripod. Yeah, I don't know, never used them before, but yeah, size cine lenses looks good. They look so cool. That's it.
Red cameras, oh yes, they look great.
Yeah.
I'd love
We're
a red
just talking
camera.
about how they look. Oh,
Yeah,
shallow.
Cine lens, whatever.
Okay, last question from John. Best first full frame Nikon. I have to say, the first time I read this, I have a hard time figuring out what that means. Best first frame, the first full frame Nikon. It's just after a while I figure, oh, okay, it's just talking about the best full frame Nikon to get.
Well, that's a bit vague, isn't it? I mean, best is like, okay, you just get the most expensive one.
Yeah, D5.
Then, yeah.
That's the best.
But I guess, I mean, when he's putting best and first, I guess he means what's a good one to get as a
beginner.
A beginner.
D700.
Yes, I was going to say that as well. D700, fantastic, and it's a bargain now on eBay. It's a magnificent body. It's a solid body, isn't it?
Yeah, it's heavy as well, but it still works really well. Boom, that's it.
That was it. If you've got more questions for us, please hashtag #BokeBros, Twitter, whatevs. And also, yes, as we mentioned in an earlier answer, please do let us know what you want to see us do. We're also going to be in Cologne, so...
yeah, that's it.
Quickly, what's going on in the world of Locke?
I just finished a video about Hong Kong light photography. That's really good. I have a workshop in New Zealand again in just like 2 weeks, something like that. And please go to, if you're interested, if you are in New Zealand, Auckland, link in the description. It's all about my experience, 8 years experience doing YouTube. Ultimate guide to YouTube.
With some secrets of what it's really like to work with me.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I've done an F word, going to be doing more F words, more film camera stuff. Going to be doing a couple products which I actually can't tell you right now. So, yeah, that's all. Okay, thank you to all the Boke Bros and sisters watching. Peace out, people. See you later. Woohoo! Don't know I did that. Bye-bye.
Oh, click that and subscribe to my channel, Kai's channel, and this channel, obviously. See ya.
See ya.
Space Odyssey. Bye.
See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.